This one got hit down low all throughout this area. I have a Subaru Forester here. This one got hit down low in the rear body panel here, and this is all crushed all throughout this area. So this is gonna get a new rear body panel, which I have right here. However, first I'm gonna grab it and I'm gonna pull out the damage. And the trunk floor got a little folded up right at the end there, but I think as I walk this out, a lot of that's gonna walk right back into shape. I'll go ahead and make a couple pulls. I'm gonna try to grab this lip right here and use that to start to pull off of.